Grab a container. Any bowl or dish you have at home will work. Add about 300 grams of baking soda. This is our base. Use your hands to gently spread it out until the surface looks smooth and even. Take about 10 cloves and arrange them on top of the baking soda in a spiral pattern. It doesn't have to be perfect, but try to spread them evenly. Pick your favorite aromatic essence and add a few drops right over the cloves and baking soda. Once you've done that, take a sheet of aluminum foil. Cut it with scissors into a spiral shape, trimming it until it fits perfectly over your container, like a lid. It doesn't have to be exact, just make sure it covers the top nicely. Now, wrap the foil over the container, sealing it tight around the edges. Once it's secure, grab a wooden toothpick or skewer and poke small holes across the surface of the foil. Have you ever noticed how sometimes your home feels stuffy or has lingering odors that just won't go away no matter how much you clean? Place this multi-purpose solution in your kitchen, closets, or anywhere else in your home where you'd like to deodorize and have fresher air. Not only does it absorb bad odors with the power of baking soda, but the cloves release a subtle, warm aroma while the essential oils fill the air with your favorite scent. This is also great for keeping pests away. The cloves act as a natural deterrent for insects like ants and moths.